Hi guys, if you're following Charles California in the giveaway, so I win the necklace from Charles California and he sent me this package. Yay! Cannot wait to open it and unboxing this package. Yay! Thank you so much, Charles. Wow, it's a very sweet package, you guys. Thank you. Thank you for you. Thank you for you, Charles. You're so sweet. See this yellow box, and this is my name at the time when he did the giveaway, and this is my name. Yay! So excited. And so this is necklace. Oops. Yeah. So I think I need to it takes time to how is it doing? Yay, I made it! Yay! Yay, I made it! See this? So cute, right guys? It's written here. So with the Tiffany and Co. It's a very cute necklace. Here are the view from my... Oh, I just realized there's a hand over there. Oh, it was a Madame Tussauds. And here's the view from my room. I know the glass are a little bit dirt, but I just wanna show you guys. I was in a 33 floor and this is my view. It's lovely. Yay, so excited. Oh, you can open the window. So here's the view from the top, guys. Oh, so cool, right? And there you go. And it looks like this. Wow, so cute, right? Yeah, I'm gonna wear it today, Charles. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this giveaway. Yay! So I'll put the Charles California YouTube channel in my description box below. Okay, guys? See you in my next video. Bye bye.